Now students, today I am here with the new topic of the same chapter, geometry. The topic is line drawings of 3D objects on paper or on a flat surface. Okay. Now what is the meaning, what we will study in this topic? See, two-dimensional figures are figures without any height. Firstly we will discuss not about 3D, firstly we will discuss about two-dimensional figures, that is 2D figures. Okay. So what are the 2D figures? The 2D figures are those figures in which there is no height. Okay. When we give height to a two-dimensional figure, it becomes a three-dimensional figure. Now see, the first one, square. Okay. First is square. Square is the two-dimensional figure. Okay. When we give height to it, what are the two dimensions? One is length, one is breadth, or we can say sides are there, but we can give the names length and breadth. Okay. When we give height to this figure, it becomes a cube. Okay. What it becomes? It becomes a cube. Now see. Okay, when the height is given to you, it becomes a cube. Now, from whichever part you will see the cube, you will find that it is a shape. It is a square shape. Suppose we are seeing this one. Which we are seeing? This we are seeing. See this one. This is also the square. Then the back one. It is also a square. Then this one. This is also a square. This one. This is also a square. Means a cube has 6 square faces and 12 edges. We can say that it is having 6 square faces. The top one, this down one, and this top one. All these are squares which are being fitted in different shapes. But cube is made from square only. We have got this cube, this square. When we are given it a height, it becomes a cube. Okay. So all the 4 figures like this one, then this one, then this one. All the 6 faces, they are the square faces. Okay. And there are 12 edges. If you look at a cube from any side, it will look like a square. Whenever you will see a cube, always from any side, from this side, from this side, from the back side, or from the side, from both the sides, this way we can say, or this way we can say, downwards, upwards. From wherever we will see this cube, we will find that it is a square only. Okay. Now the second one is rectangle. Now see, rectangle. Now when the rectangle we have given the height, when it has been given the height, what it becomes? It becomes cuboid. What it becomes? It becomes cuboid like this. Okay. Now same, this rectangle, when it has got the height, it becomes a cuboid. Now see, always from wherever you will see, it will become, you will see, find it as a rectangular shape. Okay. More we can draw. More clearly we can draw it like this. Okay. From wherever we will see, we will find that it is a rectangular shape. Okay. A cuboid has a 6 rectangular faces. How many faces it is having? Again, both the cube and cuboid, the number of faces, the number of vertices, and the number of edges are same. Okay. So this is having 6 square faces. It is having 6 rectangular faces. Then 12 edges are there. So we can say that from wherever we will see the cube, we will find it as a shape of a square. In the same way, wherever we will see this cuboid, we will find it in the shape of a rectangle. Okay. Now this, we are having some different other shapes also, like The third one is cylinder. Okay, now see. Okay, this is the cylinder. Cylinder, if you give height to a circle, whenever we have given the height to a circle, it becomes a cylinder. Okay. When we will see the cylinder, must have seen the cylinder at your home also. Whenever we will see the cylinder from the top, it seems like a circle. The upper portion, this portion, it seems like a circle. Then the next one is fourth, sphere. It is a sphere. Okay, a sphere is a three-dimensional version of a circle. It is also a version of a circle. It is a three-dimensional figure. Okay, then the fifth one is square pyramid. Now see the square pyramid. Okay, then see, this is a square. Firstly we have drawn square pyramid. The name is square pyramid. Firstly we have got the square, and when it has been given the height, it becomes a pyramid. That is a three-dimensional figure. Okay, now see. This is a square pyramid. The base is in the square shape, and when it has been given the height from here, and from all the four corners, when we have given the height, we have joined over here, it has become the three-dimensional figure, that it has become a square pyramid. Then the last one is cone. Cone, very easy example, or the best example we can say, the birthday cap or the ice cream, the software which we eat it. Okay. This is the cone. This is also the base of a cone is a circle. Again, the base is a circle, and when it has got the height, it becomes a three-dimensional figure. That is, it is a cone. Means what we have learned just now, the objects, all the 2D objects, whenever the height is being given to these 2D objects, these are being transformed into a 3D objects. Okay, and these dotted lines, these are the dotted lines from where, see over here also, this all the figures all are of the shapes of the two-dimensional figure. Means some of cube, it is made from the square. Cuboid, it has been made from this rectangle. Similarly, cylinder, circle, sphere, it is also a version of circle. Square pyramid, square when it has got the height. Cone, again circle, when we have given the height, it has become the three-dimensional figure. What we can make out? We can make out that three-dimensional figures are being formed when the two-dimensional figures are given the height. When we give the height to the two-dimensional figures, these are being changed into the three-dimensional figure. Okay, hope you have understood whatever being taught. This was the last topic of your chapter. Now again, homework part is there. today's homework is in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay. Read the sentences very carefully, all of you, and then answer. Whatever has been taught you in this video, that has questions will be based on that only. Okay. First, when we view a cube from top, it will look like a dash. Very easy. Just now I told you, whenever we see a cube, whenever view means see, observe. Okay, whenever we see a cube from the top when we are seeing, so which shape we will, how it will look like. Okay, we have to fill in that. A cuboid has dash faces. This so many times I told you in the previous video also, just now I have told, and in this video also I have told you. Okay, that is very easy. When we give height to a circle, it becomes a dash. Okay, okay, again, just now I told you, whenever the height is given to a circle, what it becomes? Yes, it is very easy. Fourth, sphere is a dash dimensional figure. All the questions, all these fill in the blanks are based whatever you have learned in this video. Okay, the base of a cone is dash. Just now I told, when the base of the cone, the down part, the lower part, it is of which shape. Okay, now few more are there. Sixth, a square pyramid has dash faces. Okay, a cube has dash edges. The base of a square pyramid is dash in shape. Very easy it is. The answer is itself in the sentence. A dash has 6 square faces. Question number 9. Read it very carefully. Don't read only 6. The word is square faces. A figure which is having 6 square faces, not 6 faces. If the answer is 6 faces, if the question is given 6 faces, then 2 answers must be there. Okay? Any one of the answer you can write. But if the question is given 6 square faces, then the particular answer, only one answer will be there and you have to write that answer only. A cuboid has dash vertices. Okay. These were the questions. These were the questions which were being given to you. Hope you have understood. Do these questions well at home. Thank you.